friends, and welcome to week 9 of our cocktail curriculum. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late to start week 9, but I had a day full of Zoom calls and I had one that went right till 5. So here I am, a little bit late on week 9. We are making a very simple cocktail today called the Salty Dog. This is a combination of grapefruit and vodka with a salted rim. That's it. There's also a cocktail called the Greyhound, which is exactly the same but without the salty rim. So you get it, Greyhound becomes Salty Dog when you add salt. Makes sense, right? Very easy. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna give it a quick shake. So we're gonna add our ingredients here. Grapefruits are a little large for my citrus juicer, so I'm gonna try to cut them down to size. And then we're gonna need lots of ice. I hope you guys had a great sober or not so sober Sunday. Mine was not very sober, in fact, because it was my good friend Erin's birthday. And we had a lovely little Zoom birthday celebration. I just did 1.5 ounces of vodka in there. And now I'm going to do 3 to 4 ounces of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. If you have just like packaged grapefruit juice, you could use that. The reason that we salt the rim on the Salty Dog as opposed to just doing the Greyhound, which doesn't have the salted rim, is simply because the salt helps to cut the bitterness of the grapefruit. So like most of that grapefruit juice is now on the cutting board and not in the jigger, but you know, we're gonna persist. I have more grapefruit. We're gonna continue down this path. I do want to tell you that I lost an hour of my life. Oh man, it's going everywhere but into the jigger is where it's going. I lost an hour of my life last night to TikTok. And I know that TikTok, like most apps, has an algorithm, and TikTok seems to think that I'm only interested in really hot dudes, you know, which I feel a little bit attacked. I feel a little bit targeted, but apparently that's the content that I engage with most. So I don't know why I'm trying to deny my true colors, but it's proven to me that if the TikTok algorithm has determined that I'm really interested in dudes that look like Liam Hemsworth or possibly Chris Hemsworth or various racial or ethnic versions of Liam or Chris Hemsworth, the key factors being they look to be over 6 feet tall, have a jaw that could cut glass, and just ooze toxic masculinity, aka fuckboys, that I'm really into that. So that is just further proof to me that I should continue on my hiatus from online dating for a number of reasons. First of all, most dudes in Ottawa do not look like Chris or Liam Hemsworth. I don't know if you knew that. And if they do, they are often, you know, not very good people, you know? They go on back-to-back dates at the same restaurant, for instance, with different women. Back-to-back. So that's proof to me that my ovaries are not good at decision making. You know, they're just betraying me. And I want you to know that I've been on the birth control pill for a very long time. And I've read some research that indicates that when you're on the birth control pill, the hormone blend in your birth control convinces you that you should be looking for and attracted to like more stable family man types, you know, people that will stick around to raise your child after planting their seed, you know? But I don't know what's wrong with me, but I don't seem to operate on that sort of assumption of looking for, you know, good guys, stable types. I am just thirsty for a 6-pack and perfect scruffy facial hair and, you know, a very strong jawline. So I don't really think that I should be making decisions for myself when it comes to dating. I would like someone else to take this over for me. So if you would like to manage my online dating portfolio and make some sound investments of time and, you know, start the dialogue with some, you know, people who look like they have some ounce of moral character, like they have a moral compass and there is not iron in them hills, please do that. You know, I don't have the energy or the interest to pursue small talk conversations with people. But if you're bored and you'd like to manage my Bumble and Hinge profiles, just shoot me a DM, you know, take it over for me. My ovaries are incapable of making good decisions, and that's why I'm single at almost 32. I've been single for 2.5 years. So someone else needs to take the fucking wheel around here because I am not qualified. I'm just not. So as you will have seen, I'm gonna put a bit more grapefruit juice in here just to top this off. I put in 3 ounces, but I'm just gonna squeeze the rest of this grapefruit in here just for funsies, just to top it up. We've been down this road before. If I was smart, I would have learned from past mistakes and actually cracked the ice so that we weren't here yet again. But, you know, another example of my imperfect thinking extends to cracked ice and pen. Citrus juicer is good for getting out the rage. And I'm just gonna garnish with a little wedge of fresh grapefruit. There you have it, the salty dog. I will say this cocktail was invented in the mid-1950s by the same guy that invented the Bloody Mary. So a real treasure. It's good, it's so simple. 2 ingredients and salt, that's all you need. Anyone can do this. Very easy drinking, and the salt is really great at cutting that bitter grapefruit. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow with more stories to regale you with.